Hey guys, it's Lyle
and Katrina.
Today we're back at Duchesnay Falls. I'm going to be showing you some of the differences between winter and fall while you're here. So right now, as you can see, we're actually standing right on the falls, well, just a little bit in front of it. We have close-up footage right there. That is the falls. I'll show you a winter and a fall clip right here of what it looks like. And we're gonna be going right up to the top there.
I'm scared. I don't want to fall through the ice.
Yeah, let's get off of here. This is the other view here. As you can see, there's the falls there from this side. And we're gonna go farther up this way. We've got a bit of a climb.
It's really slippery too.
Yeah. You wanna go first or do you want me to?
I'll go first.
Okay. So as you can see right behind me, we have all of the falls, what they look like in the winter time. I'm going to quickly show you here a clip of what it looks like in the fall, when the leaves are changing and the water is rushing quickly. The water then is pretty cold, but you can still go in it a little bit, but it's a huge difference from what we have right here. So Duchesnay Falls is located in North Bay, Ontario, right along the highway, right when you're coming into town. It's accessible at all times of the year, as you can see, being here right in the middle of January. It's pretty spectacular. My favorite time so far, honestly, has been fall coming, when all of the leaves are changing and it's just completely beautiful. Now there is one downside today. There's absolutely no one here. When I came in the fall, it was so busy, it was hard to even get footage without people in it. I had to like wait for a while. Now we're coming right up to arguably the best part of the falls right here, coming up right behind me. I'm going to show you a close-up view of what the falls look like right over here. What are you thinking?
Hard to climb, but it's worth it.
Yeah, beautiful, eh?
Yeah. this, do not repeat this at my own risk, and it's very dangerous, but also it's really cool. I can't help it. Just have to be very
All right, let's get you down and let's keep going.
okay.
So we have a pretty cool spot actually right here where we're able to walk right over what looks to be the falls. You're able to walk right across the whole river here. It's pretty intense. I'll get you another view. As you can see, I'm right over top of where the water's going. It goes on either sides of me. There's some over here, and I have more back there. And it continues right down the big part of the falls. It's pretty intense, really.
It's just scary because it's running water, so it feels more different than just on a lake.
Yeah.
It's running, we can see the water running, so it makes it more scary to be standing on.
Now in theory it looks like we have quite a bit of snow and I imagine some ice, but I don't see why that wouldn't be dangerous still.
Well, there can be weak spots, right?
For sure. So what we're going to try to do is we saw a couple chickadees on the way. We're going to run back to the car, grab some seed, hopefully get some very close first-person view of chickadees landing on our hands. For those of you watching right now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That really helps us to keep making our content, and also hit that notification bell. That's how you know that you get another view. Or that's how you know we post another video.
Subscribe!
Okay guys, so if you liked what you saw today, please subscribe. We showed you some footage of in the fall time, and then we also showed you some of the winter footage we got today. So if you like all that, please subscribe. I got this to show you.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'm back on my way home for the second time. Oh hell no, there's piss in here. Gross, I'm not going in there. There's a dog pee in there. I don't want to go sit on it.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.